Wondered why we celebrate the New Year with fireworks? Let's take a quick dive into the history behind this explosive tradition. Over 1,000 years ago, Chinese alchemists created the first fireworks. Originally intended to ward off evil, these fireworks became central to New Year's festivities, symbolizing the hope for a fresh start. The tradition caught on in Europe in the 17th century and became a global phenomenon. Today, when the clock hits midnight on December 31st, fireworks light up the sky worldwide. It's a tradition that connects us with history and each other. Fireworks on New Year's are not just for a show, they're a celebration of new beginnings.